Good morning, it's Andy at Attleborough Centre. Just arrived into stock. It's 2011 1.4 Fiesta, titanium, automatic, finished in red, covered just over 30,000 miles. Nice specification, being titanium, multifunction steering wheel, upgraded Sony head unit, 2 keys, runs and drives very well indeed, as you'd expect for a 30,000 mile car. New tyres, supplied as normal with our minimum 3 months RAC warranty that includes 12 months free roadside cover. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Check out our website for more photos. Thank you for watching.